Sanibonani nonke enibukela ividiyo. Ividiyo enibukayo it's about acid and base as indicated outside. Then isiwenza le question ama-question lawa awu-2 phela. Then bathi 2 grams of the magnesium hydroxide reacted with the 30 cubic centimeters sulfuric acid solution of concentration 1.5 mole per cubic decimeters according to the following balance equation. 2 grams of this base are reacted with sulfuric acid in a concentration engaka ne volume engaka. Then according to a balance equation lela acid base, then basibethi equation balance, then you have to make sure that every time a balanced equation yakho. But why is sulfuric acid considered a strong acid? Why is sulfuric acid considered a strong acid? According to amanothi nakho ke consider a strong acid when I explain by a definition yakhona. You explain ukuthi ionizer completely in water to produce a high concentration of the hydronium ions. Explain the definition yakhona la. Then basebethi 7.1.2 calculate a concentration of the final solution. Then 8 marks. Concentration of the final solution. Then sesizobheka ukuthi i-final solution izokhandeka uma kwenze njani final solution. Then ukuze kube ne-concentration u-reactor sizobheka ukuthi according to ama-type ama-acid and base ukuthi kumele wazi ukuthi since kuyi-strong acid less and this is also a weak base, this one, then then kusho ukuthi i-final pH izoba njani, izodominate lo strong angithi sizoba acidic. Therefore i-acid ilo i-final solution yakho izoba acidic. Kusho ukuthi yilo omningi kakhulu, like i-concentration yakho iyona ezosala at the end. Then mabe reactor la, then kushuthi ama-moles wakhe khona angeka-react azosala la, azokwazi ukuthi asale akhandele pH le ekuzoba i-final solution. Yeah, because lona weak. Ube weak uba yi-2, then pH there will be no final solution, yabo. Then yeah, bese ngasho kanjalo. Then calculate i-concentration of the final solution. Apha ngaleli gama nje lethi final leli, kumele understand ukuthi there are initial number of mole, like total number of mole of sulfuric acid akhona la as besinikeze yena kanje. Then mase kuba khona lawa azo-react ama-moles. Then mase kuba khona lawa anga-react azosala egcineni. Formula ithi number of mole initial is equal to number of mole reacted plus number of mole left or final or sithi excess, yabo. Yeah, singasho kanje. Then ama-number of mole initial lawo ayalingana nalawa reactile because reactile vele sesiyila, then lawa salile nawa sesiyila, muwahlanganisa kukhiphela yonke lento engapha. That's why equation yakhe kanje. Then kumele silinge lana ke thina iphathi esiyifunayo yile phathi le enoku left. Iyona formula esingasenza sithole le answer le sibe concentration, because once sithola ama-number of moles acid left, then so formula ethi concentration is equal to number of moles over volume. Then i-volume esinayo vele ukuthi i-volume ama-reactor kuyo ile volume. Then from here so wenza njani ke, so this is for acid angithi ama-number of moles initially imaphi. Then sesizobheka ukuthi sinikezwe in for an acid. Then for an acid sinikezwe i-concentration and a volume. Yeah, i-volume then yawa by2 vele i-volume because bayi-container eyodwa. Then so concentration is equal to number of moles of volume because ikhona volume, ikhona concentration. Then we're looking for a number of moles. This is the initial because besatshelo la is like bengaka react then it's 1.5 la is equal to number of mole initial of the acid. Ivolume yakhona sizoyi-convert because kumele accomply ama-units wethu, since la ku-cubic decimeter nala kumele kube cubic decimeters, then sizoyi-divide ngo-1000, then sithola 0.03. Then number of moles of acid yethu multiply by 1.5, siya cross multiply since kune-equal sign, and sithola 0.045 mole of the acid initial since bengaka-react. Then shothi yiphi i-part esinayo ile, then a-reactile siwabona kanjani? For a-reactile angithi asiwazi vele ukuthi mapha reactile, sazi la ukuthi kulawa khona reactile, kodwa ngithi iyo wonke initial lo o-reacta wonke khona asalile asala ngoba since lo strong kakhulu angithi bengeba-neutralizana. Then shothi sizokwenza kanjani? Masibheka ngapha siyazi ukuthi i-ratio ithi 1:1, yonke into e-reactor la i-reactor nge-ratio yakhona. Since ithi 1:1 kusho ukuthi la mayena 2 moles lo, since lo engekho mningi, engekho strong, engekafoma litho pH, kusho uzoba used up aphele ilokhunjana yakhe, ama-moles wakhe azophela wonke la. Kusho ukuthi-ke awalo azosala khanda i-solution yethu ukuthi ibe acidic. Shuthi awalawa azo-reacta wonke, kodwa kumele a-reacte nale amount elingene wona ukuthi a-neutralize-eke. Shuthi uma ngabe ewu-2 moles la, then since i-ratio ithi 1:1 na azodinga u-2 moles ukuthi a-neutralize u-2 moles we-acid. If la beku-2 la shuthi bezodinga bani? I-double kathi bezodinga 4 moles. Since ku-1:1 shuthi mesingathola ama-number of moles alo, sesiyawazi ama-number of moles walo a-reactile because i-ratio ithi 1:1. Then sesingathola ama-number of moles we-base. For our base sinikezwe i-mass only. For i-mass, i-formula ozoyicabanga for i-mass ilena ethi number of moles equals to i-mass over i-molar mass. We are talking about acid angithi. Then so calculate okukhona because i-molar mass siyazi vele, shuthi sithola ama-number of moles of magnesium is equal to i-mass i-right kuma-grams, 2 grams over i-molar mass. I-molar mass it's 24, magnesium 24 siya-add-ke plus ubani u-16 plus u-1 ka-hydrogen molar mass yakhe, then multiply by 2 u-2 multiply zoyi-2 lezi number kanje, then so uthi 2 divide by 24 plus, then sekuba ile ama-number of moles wakho a-1/28 or sithi 0 because asikafiki final answer 0.357 mole kanje. Then number of moles of magnesium, then sesiyazi ukuthi lawa reactile since i-ratio ithi 1:1 shuthi no-magnesium uzodinga ama-number of moles angangawakhe because i-ratio iyafana. Shuthi ama-number of moles azowadinga ukuthi a-neutralize yena, then because it's an acid and base reaction le mu-neutralizana, then shuthi sizowenza i-ratio between bona sibakhombisa ukuthi siyayi-understanda i-ratio between bona. That's why sothi number of moles wabo number of moles ale base le a-reactile azolingana la number of moles a-reactile acid. Masiwenze ilokhunjana i-ratio kanje, if bekuno-2 la kwi-acid awumfaka u-2, umfaka as la kuma-ratio, wafaka la ama-ratio uyifakazi kanje lama compounds lawa, then i-ratio ithi 1:1. So therefore number of moles of acid, since sinawo we-base lawa ngithi, then reacted ayalingana nalawa we-base, vele we-base iwe lawa 0.0357 mole, because bedinga la ukuthi neutralize wakhe. Futhi sinawo number of moles reacted, sesishuta ngalawa levels, then sesizo-calculate a-concentration. Then sesibuya kule formula sesithi number of moles initially 0.045 is equal to number of moles are-reactile, ilawa ngithi ama-number of moles are-reactile okuyilawa, futhi singafaka 1/28 to make i-answer accurate, plus number of moles anjani a-left or abenjani kwi-final solution left, then number of moles left alingana nobani 0.045 minus 1/28, then alingana no 0.01 because siwenze kanje, it's 13/1400 lingana no 0.009 to 9 mole, because asikafiki final answer yabo. Number of moles uyasho ukuthi abani of bani of i-acid, because sikhuluma nge-acid la, then siyazi ukuthi yona strong izosala, ingako le formula isebenza kuyo le. Then sesithi concentration is equal to number of moles over volume. Why siya concentration? Babuze i-concentration, then ama-number of moles, le concentration abayifunayo is a final concentration. I-concentration i-final solution izodetermine yimaphi ama-moles aku-final solution, because initial izodetermine i-concentration initial yabo. Yeah, then number of moles are left, it's lawa now 13/1400 divide by volume. I-volume yethu since kule formula siyayi-convert, i-volume iyodwa vele yabo, ba-addela i-volume eyodwa, then since kule formula siyayi-converter ke sidivide ngo-1000 so 0.03, then mo-divide uzothola u-0.31 mole per cubic decimeters. This is the concentration, final solution, then ile of noma ungasakubhalanga lokho kodwa uthanda ukubhala, then iyona final answer yethu le, then bekuyilokhu ngale question. Then ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe if nifanda i-useful le question again, or like i-solution le nginikeza yona. Ngiyabonga.